2026 Denago MX1. This is the blue edition. Electric start, semi-automatic, inverted forks, powder coated frame, blue shifter, got the colored stator caps, gold chain on the back, colored chain adjusters, CNC'd brake cap reservoir there, foldable retractable lever, throttle governor underneath the throttle, disc brakes, colored brake reservoir on the back there for the hydraulic on the back. This is the blue edition for sale here at East Central Sports, Rush City, Minnesota. Come check us out today, www.eastcentralsports.com.